Struggling to find a job or earn money online in 2025? No skills? No degree? No problem. In this video, I'll show you 3 real side hustles you can start today, from your phone or laptop, no experience or investment needed. Whether you're from Pakistan, India, or Bangladesh, these methods work. I'm giving you a step-by-step blueprint for 3 businesses you can start right now, with just your phone and internet. So grab a notebook and pay close attention. The next 4 minutes could change your financial future. Let's do this. First up, the Daraz affiliate program, South Asia's Amazon. Sign up for free on Daraz, get your unique affiliate links, and share them anywhere. WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, or groups you're part of. Every time someone clicks your link and buys anything, you earn a commission. No need to buy or ship products, just connect people to what they want. Focus on being helpful, not spammy. Share deals that fit the group or conversation. Consistency is key. Spend 15 minutes daily sharing links around trending events or holidays. Track your clicks and earnings in the dashboard. It's motivating to see your progress. Daraz pays directly to your local bank account once you hit the threshold. Start small, but remember, the more links you share, the more you can earn. Don't spam. Offer value, like sharing a baby product in a mom's group with a helpful note. This is a real, risk-free way to start earning online. Sign up, share, and watch your first commissions roll in. Go start right now. Hustle number 2. Become a freelance writer overnight using ChatGPT. Create a free seller account on Fiverr and offer writing gigs, blog posts, product descriptions, or website content. When you get an order, use ChatGPT to generate the content. Just give it a clear, detailed prompt. Edit the AI's work for quality and originality using tools like Grammarly and a plagiarism checker. Deliver polished content to your client and get paid. Start at $5 or $10 per article. As you collect 5-star reviews, raise your prices and expand your services. You don't need to be a writer, just a good manager of AI and quality control. Diversify your gigs: emails, social media captions, video scripts. Clients want fast, well-written content. They don't care if you use AI as long as it's good. This is scalable. Handle multiple orders at once and let ChatGPT do the heavy lifting. Your main job is giving clear instructions and proofreading. Set up your Fiverr profile, create your first gig, and start earning today. This is the future of freelance work. Jump in now, get started, and let AI work for you. Side Hustle 3. Launch your own clothing brand with zero investment using Canva and Amazon Merch on demand. Create simple, clever t-shirt designs in Canva. No art skills needed, just good ideas. Apply for Amazon Merch on demand. It's invite only, so apply early. While you wait, practice making designs and research trending niches: pets, hobbies, jobs, holidays. Don't copy. Get inspired by what's selling and create your own twist. Use Canva's templates and graphics to make text-based designs with catchy phrases. Once approved, upload your PNG designs to Amazon Merch, pick product types and colors, and write keyword-rich titles and descriptions. Amazon handles printing, shipping, and customer service. You earn royalties for every sale. The more designs you upload, the more chances you have to earn passive income. Some designs might never sell, but one hit can pay you for years. Check your dashboard to see sales, even while you sleep. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but it's a real business you can start and keep your workflow efficient. Apply to Amazon Merch, the more you earn. On Canva, it's that brainstorm niche ideas now. Upload consistently and treat it like a real business. You're now a clothing brand owner. Get creative and start today. There you have it. 3 side hustles you can start today with no money and no experience. Daraz Affiliate, Fiverr with ChatGPT, and Amazon Merch with Canva. Want to earn more? Combine them. Promote your t-shirts and your writing gigs, use ChatGPT for ad copy, and share affiliate links in your content. Build an ecosystem where each hustle supports the others. The most important step is action. Pick one hustle and start now. Your journey to financial freedom begins with a single click. Comment below with your country for platform suggestions, and don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Side Hustle Sage. Your journey to online income starts now.